I don't know about you, but in school they used to teach us that like polar bears were white. Polar bears aren't even white. Their fur's translucent, which reflects the white snow and ice around them, giving them that white color. But in reality, polar bears aren't white. They're black. It's a shock. I know, it's crazy, but they're black. Everything I learned in school is an absolute lie. Nah, but talking about school, I did grow up with a teacher from Africa. And I remember like one day where we were in class, she like casually mentioned that bats are resistant to cancer, which is crazy because cancer is like a real big threat to like us as people and us as humans. But bats are just resistant to cancer. Like it's harder for them to get cancer and or die from cancer, right? Because of that resistance. And so it made me think, I'm like, damn, Batman can still die to cancer, but bats are resistant to cancer. So you're telling me everyone got powers except Batman, even bats, the animal that feared or inspired the billionaire, have superpowers, but the Batman does not. That has got to suck for Batman not having superpowers. Like, damn. But like talking about superpowers, another weird one is like hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards, which kind of makes sense when you think about it, because I never really see a pigeon flying backwards in the middle of the city. You only really ever see hummingbirds kind of fly back and forth. So it's kind of interesting that hummingbirds are legit the only birds that can fly backwards. I find that really cool. You know what a pigeon can do though that's really interesting? They can detect cancer. Researchers at the University of California decided to train pigeons to distinguish between benign and malignant tumors. Is this cancer or is this not cancer? Pigeons had a 99% accuracy. I'm telling you, pigeons had the same amount of accuracy as like medical doctors would when it comes to detecting cancer. And all the pigeon does is just look at it and be like, yep, that's cancer. Nope, that's not cancer. That's insane that they just have that level of accuracy as a pigeon. Honestly, watching like 10 years, there's gonna be like a little cartoon series about a pigeon going through med school, or if not, is like an actual doctor. Like it's just that's gonna be a cartoon one day. Yep, I'm calling it right now. Did you know that there's such a thing as medical detection dogs? Since their smell is like really good, dogs are trained to sniff out medical conditions sometimes. There's one dog that actually saved someone's life because they were able to tell there was a change in the owner's blood sugar levels just through their sense of smell. The owner had their life saved because the dog detected it, and the dog was given a medal. It's actually adorable. Gives a whole new meaning to the show Paw Patrol. But hey, medical dogs are a thing. They can actually save us. Other animals to hold jobs is that of a cat being mayor in Alaska for 20 years. Yes, there is a cat out there that is mayor of an Alaskan town for 20 years and has been doing all the official duties that a mayor would, like greet people, and they're a cat, and it's adorable. It's honestly adorable. The cat's name is Mayor Stubbs, and for 20 years the cat has been running the town better than most of us can as humans. That is saying something. Wow, a cat can do a better job than we can. Okay, honestly, if I was to have a cat, it'd probably be a black cat. I'd probably call it Rigatoni, you know, Tony for short. I think that's cute. Let me know, comment down below. Is Rigatoni a good name for a cat? If it's not, please let me know before I make a terrible mistake. But I think it'd be cute, you know? Call it Tony for short. It's Rigatoni. It works. Speaking about names, you probably knew that a baby kangaroo is called a joey, but did you know that female rhinos are called cows and male rhinos are called bulls? Really weird because we already call them rhinos, but yeah, there's a distinction between a female rhino and a male rhino and what they're actually called. Now I'm trying to wonder if the rhino from Donkey Kong is a bull or a cow. That's the real question here. Can we talk about how otters, while they're sleeping, they hold hands so that they don't like drift away while they're sleeping, because otters sleep in the water? And honestly, I find that very adorable and very cute. Like they're little soulmates, just like sleeping, protecting each other even in their sleep. It's honestly adorable. They're just holding hands. It's cute. It honestly reminds me of that one fact that if you subscribe in the next 5 seconds, you'll protect the channel even while I'm sleeping. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.